So I will be picking an example of that kind of facial recognition thing. Suppose this is a face of a particular human, right? This is a face of a particular human and I want to train my model to detect this particular face, right? So how a model will be training? And suppose you are approaching to a stranger, you are a stranger to some person and you are approaching to that particular person, right? Then how you will be at a very first glance, how your brain used to speak. Okay, this person I already know and this person I don't know. How? So whenever we see someone obviously by face, and our face is having some kind of attributes that used to signify, okay, this person is Anustup and this person is not Anustup. How can this be possible? So the attributes of the face that makes us different from each other is simply like our positioning of our eyebrows, structure of our lips, structure of our nose, or structure of our eyes, or how this kind of features is distributed all over our face. That's it. So this kind of features, this kind of attributes is making us different from each other, because my eye and my friend's eyes, the structure of my eyes will not be same, obviously. So our brain used to detect at a very first moment, at a very fast sight, okay, this is the structure of this face, and yeah, it matches what I saw in my friend's face. So this is my friend. So how does this kind of computer vision algorithms used to work, or facial recognition models used to work? You have collected a big database of your face, a big facial database. You are owning a big facial database, and you are just loading the data inside your model to get trained. Now, how a model will learn? So, firstly, like if we just plot this particular face inside a 2D geometry in Cartesian coordinates. So, yeah, what we can have the coordinates of the entire distribution of the face. Okay, for an example, the face is distributed from this to this. Okay, I can have the x versus y coordinates of the particular face. Now I am done with finding the coordinates, that means the entire area of the distribution of the particular image, or in how much area the image is being distributed, right? So how can I find the very next part? Now I want to point up each and every attributes that is being present in the face, right? So how can I plot it up? So I can easily plot it up in calculating the coordinates of each and every attribute that is being present over here. That means this particular attribute or this particular coordinates of this area is speaking about, okay, left eyebrow is being lying in this particular section. If I am trying to find out this, left eyebrow is lying this particular section. Likewise, at a very initial moment, I can find the coordinates of each and every attribute that is being distributed over the face, right? So after that, when I am done with that, only having that kind of numerical value over a particular area will not help me. I need to extract out the face out of face. That means a facial pattern out of the face. Because my model will be understanding that facial pattern, not the face, not the numbers. So how can I extract a facial pattern out of the face? To extract the facial pattern, I have to join this each and every coordinates with each other. If I am done with this joining, then I can easily create a facial mask. And the facial mask is nothing else but the collection of the numbers in an array format or in a matrix format. So how can I do? Here I will be utilizing that basic mathematical concept of calculating the coordinating distance in between the 2 points, the Euclidean distance, that is put under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. How will it work? It will be calculating the distance first in between the left eyebrow to right eyebrow. Then suppose left eyebrow to the right side of the nose, like this. Then again, for an example like this. Okay, in this way, for an example, a complete facial pattern is being extracted out of the particular face, right? A complete facial pattern. Now this facial pattern is nothing else but a collection of some kind of numbers. It is having the collection of numbers. Then I will be simply passing, or a model will be simply passing this number forward, and now it will be learning on that particular numerical values, and it will be telling, okay, this facial map is matching with my admin's facial map, so this is my admin and this is not my admin. At the very foundation level, this kind of algorithms work in this manner.